We will manipulate a little bit more git log command and then set up a git alias to create a shortcut for a command. In my terminal, I'm currently in my test repository. I'm on the master branch with nothing to commit, as I have a clean working directory. If I type the standard command, git log, I see that I have 2 commits. However, if I use the git head command by typing git head log, I see that there are many options that are provided to me. I will exit git head log. I already know the options I want to use. So let's use the command git log 2 dashes 1 line that will provide a simplified commit input, providing a lot of this information on a single line instead of several lines. We will add 2 dashes graph. A graph is a graphical representation of the commit history. Then 2 dashes decorate that will tell us which commits are part of which branches and other labels in the Git repository. And then finally 2 dashes all that will provide the history of all the branches available on this repository. We have now a radically different view of our git log command. Although Git has not officially history commands, this does not prevent us from creating them. We are going to use git alias to do this. To create a git alias that is essentially a new command that is a short representation of a longer and an existing command, we are going to use git config command. So we type git config double dashes global alias .hist, which will be the name of our command for this first example. We will open the quotation marks and we type log 2 dashes 1 line 2 dashes graph 2 dashes decorate and then double dashes all. The syntax and config double dashes global because we want that this alias to be at the user level, not at the repository level. And then the configuration key, which is alias, and the name you want to use for your new command. In my case, it is hist. After you have typed your commands, press enter. We can check this input by listing git config inputs with the command git config double dashes global double dashes list. And at the end, just here, you can see our hist alias. So now let's test it. To use an alias, you have just to type git and the name of your alias. In my case, it is hist. So we type git hist. If you have succeeded, you must have the same result as the log command that we have seen before. Using aliases does not prevent you from passing additional parameters to the command. For example, git hist double dashes hello.html. Hist will pass only my file hello.html with the hist command.